Hello, and welcome to another episode of Inner Fables of Calm. My name is Nicole, and I am from Inner Self-Care, and I'm excited to bring to you another meditative fable for today. In this episode, we'll delve into the theme of not making ourselves small. The thought of this theme came to me when I was rereading one of my favourite quotes by Marianne Williams. I'll just read it out here for you. You are a child of God. Your playing small does not serve the world. There is nothing enlightened about shrinking so that other people won't feel insecure around you. We are all meant to shine as children do. So as I said, I've been deeply contemplating this subject this week. I remember times in my own life when I hid my true self to fit in or to be liked. It made me think of one of my favourite childhood tales, The Ugly Duckling, a story that vividly captures the roller coasters of emotion, from sadness and loneliness to the ultimate joy of discovering and embracing one's true identity. The Ugly Duckling is not just a story about transformation, it's a journey of self-acceptance. As we explore this tale, let's reflect on its deeper meaning and how it resonates with our own experiences of self-discovery and the courage to be who we truly are. So, before we begin our tale, get comfortable, lying or sitting down, close or lower your eyes and relax. Let's take one deep breath in through the nose, and then a lovely deep breath out through the mouth. In a quaint farmyard, a mother duck anxiously awaited the hatching of her eggs. One by one, the ducklings emerged, chirping and fluffy, except for one. The last egg hatched, a duckling like any other, larger with grey feathers and, to the farmyard's eyes, less beautiful. This duckling, different in appearance, was quickly labelled as ugly. He faced constant ridicule, not only from his siblings, but from the other animals on the farm. He tried to fit in, imitating his siblings, hoping to be accepted. But his efforts were in vain. Feeling isolated and misunderstood, the duckling left the farmyard. As he journeyed through the changing seasons, he encountered harsh realities and challenges, each one teaching him about life's struggles and resilience. He came across a flock of graceful birds, swans, and felt a strange sense of belonging. However, seeing his reflection in the water, he believed himself too different, too ugly to be one of them. The harsh winter arrived, and the duckling, now alone, endured the cold and loneliness, questioning his place in the world. But as the grip of the winter loosened, the duckling noticed changes within himself. One day, by the same pond where he had once felt despair, he saw his reflection transformed. No longer was he a grey, ugly duckling, but now a beautiful swan with a graceful neck and striking feathers. He had grown into what he was always meant to be. Often, we find ourselves trying to fit in, sometimes hiding or diminishing our true selves in the process. But as the Ugly Duckling teaches us, there is a profound strength and beauty in embracing who we truly are. Let's take a moment to reflect on this story. Take a deep breath in through your nose to the count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2. And a deep exhale. Breathe in again. Hold and exhale. Let's take a moment now to reflect on this story and think about your own journey. As you inhale, imagine embracing your unique qualities. As you exhale, let go of any need to conform or make yourself smaller. Breathe deeply, inhaling serenity and exhaling self-doubt. Feel each breath grounding you in this moment. Continue to breathe, breathing in deeply serenity, exhaling self-doubt. Now envision yourself in a peaceful natural setting. Perhaps it's by the same tranquil pond where the duckling discovered his true self. As you sit by this pond, reflect on your own life journey. Think about the times you felt out of place, different or misunderstood. Remember the moments you've tried to change, to fit in, or to make yourself small. Now, visualize a transformation within you. Like the duckling, imagine shredding any beliefs or inadequacy or thoughts of not belonging. See yourself emerging stronger, more confident, a reflection of your true inner self. Breathe in deeply, embracing the uniqueness of who you are. With each exhale, let go of comparisons, of judgments, of the constraints you've placed on yourself or that others have placed on you. Continue to breathe deeply and exhaling and letting go. With each deep breath in, embrace the uniqueness of who you are. With each exhale, let go of comparisons, of judgments, of constraints placed on you. Continue to breathe. embracing the uniqueness of who you are. Exhale and let go of comparisons, of judgments, of constraints placed on you. Contemplate the beauty and strength that lies in your differences. Recognize that, like the swan, your distinct qualities are what makes you magnificent. Embrace your true self. As you sit by the pond, feel a sense of peace and acceptance wash over you. You are perfect as you are. You are meant to soar, not to hide. Feel peace and acceptance. Continue to breathe. You are perfect as you are. You are meant to soar, not to hide. Now, when you're ready, start to slowly bring yourself back to the present. Have a stretch, rub your eyes, roll your shoulders, carrying with you the strength and beauty of your true self, ready to face the world with renewed confidence and grace. As we bring today's episode to a close, let's reflect on the key lessons from the Ugly Duckling and how we can incorporate them into our daily lives this coming week. Remember to embrace your individuality. Like the unique duckling who grew into a beautiful swan, your individuality is your strength. This week, make a conscious effort to embrace and celebrate your unique traits and qualities. Resist that urge to compare. The duckling's journey teaches us the challenges of comparison. Throughout this week, whenever you find yourself comparing your journey to others, gently remind yourself of your own unique path and value. And remember that transformation takes time. Just as the duckling didn't become a swan overnight, personal growth and self-acceptance are an ongoing process. Be patient with yourself this week as you grow and evolve. Find strength in the challenges. The challenges faced by the duckling were crucial to his transformation. When you encounter difficulties this week, try to view them as opportunities for growth and learning. Seek your true reflection. Spend time in self-reflection this week, like the duckling, seeing his reflection as a swan. Seek to understand and appreciate your true self beyond external perceptions and labels. Carry these lessons with you into the week ahead. Let them guide you to a place of acceptance and pride in who you are. The story of the ugly duckling reminds us that true beauty lies in embracing our authentic selves. You are not meant to hide or make yourself small. Stand tall in the glory of your true nature. Thank you for joining me today in the Fables of Calm. Until next time, may you find the courage to be unapologetically you, celebrating the swan within. And as always, if you enjoyed this fable, please follow us. And until next time, take care.